Hi guys, welcome to new video. We already talked about yesterday about IAM user, IAM group. Today we are going to talk about IAM policy, IAM role. And yesterday I already created some role, but I will show you today how to attach to any instance and how what is the policy, how to create custom policies and all. So let's start. This is the three tab we already have yesterday also. This one is Subham that have administrator access. This is demo 1. This is demo 2. Okay, let me just clear this stuff. So now go to and check what user we have. Currently we have three user. This one. Now let's say about first policies and then we talk about roles. Okay, so this is loading. Okay, we got all the policies that AWS have already created. AWS created all policies their own. So if you want to check what is inside this administrator access policy, you can just go here and just see in the JSON format. What does it mean? This is the version. This is the statement. In this statement, there is four things: effect, action, resource. Effect means what the things we want you want to put on this policy. Effect: allow or deny. Action: what actions? Start is this means like all the actions, and resources all the resources. Okay, so the format of the policy is in JSON basically. We can see the policies in the JSON format here. In the JSON format, there is a multiple things. We talk about this. This is version, like the policy version, and there is a statement. The statement can be multiple. In the statement, there is three things: effect, action, resource. Effect basically what we want to do, like allow or deny. Action is what action we want to perform. The star means all the actions, and the resource is which resource. The resource I want, like we want, not we want, the administrator access want in the all the resources. Okay, so we checked about these already policies that was already created. So we already talk about the policies that already created by AWS. We can create our own policy and add to any user or role. We can just create a one policies and we can attach to any user. Let's create our new policies. Okay, just came here and we can create through JSON as well as visual. JSON also helpful, very helpful. You can search from here and just attach here. But we go with visual. What I want, I just want to create a S3. What filter action we want to put? We just want to put list the bucket. Okay, I just want to attach a one action and the resource. We want all the resources from anywhere that coming. I just want to do this and just create a next. Give them a demo S3 policy and just create this policy. We can check the policy here also, this policy, and we can just see we just allowed him and then S3 list bucket and resources from everywhere. Okay, so now we attach this policy to demo one user. Currently we are seeing this demo one user have S3 full access and S3 read only access. Okay, I'm just going to remove these two. Let me first check what inside this policy that AWS already created. Okay, just came inside and just wait a minute, it's loading. Okay, We just go inside this and we can see here. What is this? Inside read only access. What is? There is a S3 get start, S3 list start, describe start, object lambda, and this one. Resource from anywhere. Okay. These the access S3 read only the policies have. Okay. In our there is a one just listing. So just deleting this, removing, not deleting, just removing this. We can attach add permission and permission. We attach a policy, that one I've created already, demo, and we just create here and add permission. Okay. Now this was the demo one. Now we can refresh this page and just go here, demo one. This S3 only the list, the bucket. If there is no bucket, there is nothing. Let's suppose we create a demo 000 something that we want. We just don't need, just create this and just try to access. We can't create this because we not have permission. Okay, so this is the way the policies work. We can create our own policy, we can attach to any user, any group, and anywhere. Now moving forward, uh, now we talk about IAM role. What is this IAM role and how do we attach to any services? So let's came back here and we already created demo S3 read access. Okay, so in the read access, AWS S3 only read access, we already created this. When we go in a EC2, when you launch an instance, there is need, suppose the demo server. Okay, we go in the bottom in a key pair, there is a networking security group. We just don't want anything. In advanced detail, in the advanced detail, we go bottom. There is an IAM policies. There is this one. We can attach here this. Basically, we not attach about S3. We attach about like what IAM access. Like suppose in a service in a EC2. Let's take an example and say, let's suppose this is an EC2 service. Your container is running, and in this container, you want to pull some S3 images. For the S3 images, what you want? You want to access the AWS. This is the S3 in outer, and this instance inside the machine there is a service running, and this service want S3 from here. Okay, how to talk about? Do you configure, like how to access anything from CLI is to access by logging AWS configuration. What do? We do AWS configure. What we do? We do configure. In this configuration, what we pass? We pass login ID, password. Does it good way to put login ID and password in an instance that is running? No. So what do? We put IAM role to the instance, IAM role to the instance that the instance only have the access to the S3 without giving any ID and password. Okay. So this is the instance. We can just to pass the demo access and we don't need to any configuration like ID, password. Directly he can access the S3 by passing this. This is the IAM role and this is the IAM policies. We talked about these two things. This much in this video. We talked about IAM role and IAM policy. This is much we needed till now. Thank you so much. This much for today. We talked about next thing EC2 in the next video.